Forex trading is a global marketplace for buying and selling currencies. It's open 24/5 and operates through a decentralized network of banks, financial institutions, and individual traders. The goal is to profit from changes in currency values. Currencies are traded in pairs, like Euro-US dollar. When you buy one currency, you're selling another. The exchange rate between these currencies constantly fluctuates due to factors like economic news, interest rates, and geopolitical events. The simplest explanation of how you make money trading Forex is by predicting whether the chart is going up or down. For example, if you believe the euro will strengthen against the dollar, you'd buy Euro-US dollar. If the euro rises, you sell it back at a higher rate, making a profit. This has been Forex in 1 minute. See you in the next video.